banister. You see the color choice I picked out. The cream color with the crown molding. And I'm going to have shutters put on that'll cover both of those windows, so it'll look like one big window. And garage. And then kitchen. And the most exciting part, gas. If you want to stop for a second.